Translatability. When translating, it's not just cultural differences that can be challenging. Sometimes, grammar itself causes problems. For example, the Hindi sentence, "Yahan ka mahol acha hai," can't be directly translated to English as, "Here's atmosphere is good," because it sounds wrong. Instead, the correct translation is, "The atmosphere here is good." Similarly, "Aapka shubh naam" often turns into, "Your good name" in English, which sounds odd. These translation errors can lead to funny outcomes. Watch out for these mistakes next time you watch a movie or song with English subtitles in your native language. Linguist J.C. Catford talks about two types of untranslatability: linguistic and cultural. Linguistic untranslatability happens when there's no grammatical match in the target language. Cultural untranslatability occurs due to cultural differences. Literary translation. Literary translation deals with translating fiction. It's different from other types of translation because it focuses on the artistic and emotional aspects of the text, not just the information. The translator needs to capture the feelings, characters, and overall mood of the original work. This means they might not stick strictly to the original text but instead adapt it to convey the same impact. For example, they might use synonyms or change sentence structures to keep the artistic essence intact. Technical translation. Technical translation involves translating scientific and technical materials, using specialized terms from those fields. This could range from scientific journal articles, which need a deep understanding of the subject, to product descriptions, which need knowledge of the field's terminology. A technical translator must be familiar with the subject matter in both the source and target languages. Machine translation. Machine translation uses computers to assist in translating text. There are three types. 1. Machine aids for translation, like word processors and online dictionaries. 2. Computer-aided translation, CAT, where systems do most of the translation with human input at various stages. 3. Fully automated machine translation, where the machine does all the translation and a human might only edit the final output. Future of machine translation. Despite the rise of machine translation, human translators are still in high demand. Technology can assist but not fully replace human translators, who bring creativity and understanding that machines can't yet replicate. Transcreation. Transcreation involves creatively adapting a work into another language or culture. Translator P. Lal introduced this concept, emphasizing that a translator may need to reinterpret the original text to make it resonate with contemporary readers. This might mean changing or adding to the original text to capture its essence accurately. For instance, when translating ancient texts, a translator might adjust scenes or incidents to make sense to modern readers, thus creating a true translation that conveys the original's spirit.